Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the logic part of how to delete a node at nth position in a doubly linked list. So first of all, as you can see here, this is our definition of node of a doubly linked list. It is having two pointer previous and next and a data field. So to do it, I have to deal with 5 cases. And what are those? First of all, position is smaller than 1. Suppose I have a linked list of size 5 and I want to delete a node at -1, -2 position. Is it possible? No, it is not. Now see what is case 2. In case 2, position is greater than size. Suppose I have a linked list of 5 nodes and I want to delete a node at 6 position or a position greater than 8. Can we do it? No. Why? Because it is an invalid position. So in these two cases, we need to say to our user that you have given us a invalid position. That is, these two are error case. Okay. Now let's come to case 3, that is position is equal to 1. That is, I want to delete node 1, first node. Suppose this is a linked list and here I want to delete node 1. So what I need to do? I need to first of all somehow make this head pointer point to node 2 and node 2 previous part need to point to some null location, that is containing some null. So how I am going to do it? First of all, as I am deleting this particular node, I need a pointer where I will hold the address of this particular node. Let's name that pointer temp. What is the task of this particular pointer? This pointer will hold the address of node to be deleted. So what I am going to do after that? I will update temp to head. So suppose this is my temp pointer. After this line, it will contain 100 and it will start to point to first node. And after that, what is going to do? In head, we are going to put temp dot next. What is going to happen after this particular line? See, temp is pointing to first node and temp dot next is equal to 200. That is next part of node starting from memory address 200. So head will be updated to 200 and this link will be created and this link will get broken. And what we need to do after that? We need to do one more thing. We need to update the previous part of node 2. So head dot previous equal to null. And what is going to happen? This will be updated to null, which means node 2 previous part linked to the node 1 will get broken. And after that, what we need to do? We need to delete this particular node from our doubly linked list. But how I am going to do it? Using delete. And in delete, I will pass the address of node to be deleted and temp is containing that address. So this is going to do the deletion of node at first position for us. Now let's see how to delete a node at last position. Suppose I want to delete a node at fourth position, that is node 4. So how I am going to do it? So to do it, I am going to need two pointers. One pointer will be temp, which will hold the address of node to be deleted, and second pointer will be cur, which I will be using for traversal. So what I am going to do first? First I will traverse and reach at node 3. Suppose this is my cur pointer, it will point to node 3 after traversal. And why node 3? Suppose I want to delete a node at nth position, we need to reach at a position n-1 to manipulate the pointers. And once I have reached to this particular node, what I am going to do? First of all, I need to update next part of node 3. So I am going to update cur.next. No, before that what I need to do, before updating the next part of it, I need to keep the address of node 4 in temp variable. Why? Because after that we are going to update the next pointer of current node. So first of all, in temp I will put current dot next. So current dot next is equal to 400. That is next part of node starting from memory address 200. So temp will be equal to 400 and it will start to point to the last node. And after that what we are going to do? We are going to update current dot next. And how we are going to update current dot next? We are going to update it to null. Which means now next part of node 3 will be null and it will start to point to some null location. And what we are going to do after that? We are going to delete temp. Okay? This is how we are going to delete a node at last position. Now to delete a node at any other position, what we need? We need 2 pointers. Okay? As in the case of last position, one pointer will be temp, which will hold the address of node to be deleted, and another pointer will be current, we are going to use for traversal. Okay, now let's see how it is going to work. So first of all we need to traverse. So in cur we are going to put head, then we will traverse. For int I equal to 0, I is smaller than pos minus 2 and I plus plus. And then we will traverse. Current equal to current dot next. Okay. Suppose we want to delete a node at third position. That is, we want to delete node 3. So my pos will be 3. This is 2. So int I equal to 0, I is smaller than 1, I plus plus, which means this particular current equal to current dot next will execute for one time. Okay. So before this loop, suppose this is a cur pointer, it will hold 100, that is, it will point to node 1. And after the execution of this for loop, current will come here and it will start to point to node 2. Okay. Then what we are going to do? We have a temp pointer which will hold the address of node to be deleted. So in temp we will put current dot next. And what is current dot next? See, current is pointing to node 2. So current dot next will be the next part of node 2, which means suppose this is our temp pointer. In this temp pointer, I am going to put this one, that is 300. That means temp will start to point to node 3. After that, what we are going to do? We are going to update current dot next. And what should be current dot next? See, as this node will be deleted, so current dot next, that is node 2 next part, should point to node 4. Okay. And where we have this address? We have address of this particular node in node 3 next part. And temp is pointing to node 3. So current dot next will be equal to temp dot next. Correct? After that, what we are going to do? See, from this line, using this line, we have built a link between node 2 and node 4. But we need one more thing. And what is that thing? We need to create a backlink. That is node 4 to node 2. And how we are going to do it? See, temp is containing the address of node 4. So, using temp.next, first we will reach to node 4 and then the previous. Then we will access the previous of node 4 and here we are going to update current. And as you can see here, current is 200. So in this line, what is going to happen? Current will be added to 200 and a link between node 4 previous to node 2 will be created. And one more thing, this will be updated to 400 in this particular line. Okay. So as you can see here, after these two lines, node 2 will start to point to node 4 and node 4 previous will start to point to node 2. And now as you can see here, we have no dependency on node 3, that is temp pointer also. So what we will do after that? Delete temp. And temp is containing the address of node 3. So node 3 will be deleted from the memory. Okay. So this is how we will deal with the case 5, that is deleting a node at any other position. So to summarize it, these two are error case, that is invalid input case. In this case, that is case 3, we need only one pointer which will hold the address of first node. Okay, one pointer. And these two case we need to traverse. So one pointer for traversal and one pointer which will hold the address of node to be deleted. Okay. So friends, this is the logic part of how to delete a node at nth position in a doubly linked list. And in next video we are going to see program for the same thing. And friends, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.